Hello, this is Kerastase leave-in treatment mousses for hair. Whenever we wash our hair and we blow dry our hair and our hair look like puffy, then if we use this, then our hair will look straight, smooth and silky. And this is one of good product to put in our hair. It keep our hair safe and moisture like this, and put it. This is leave-in product, and the smell is very nice smell. After we use this, it really make our hair volumizing, and it make also hair thickness. This Kerastase is also one of styling mousses. After we use this, it really give hair like more volume and thickness.